Flavor-packed chicken wings to elevate your kitchen. Gummy chicken wings are the ultimate crowd pleaser, juicy, crispy, saucy, and endlessly customizable. Whether you're prepping for game day, a cozy night in, or a backyard cookout, these recipes will have everyone licking their fingers and begging for more. From oven-baked classics to air-fryer miracles and a Vietnamese-inspired twist, I've rounded up some wing wonders that'll make you the MVP of any gathering. Let's get cooking. One, butter-baked chicken wings. Crispy meats. Juicy Imogene wings, so crispy they crunch, yet so juicy they melt in your mouth. These butter-baked beauties are roasted with pats of butter melting over a spice blend of onion powder, garlic, pepper, and paprika. As they bake, the butter transforms into a luscious sauce that coats every bite. Pro tip: save those pond juices and drizzle them over the wings when serving their liquid gold, perfect for a no-fuss weeknight treat.
How to make butter-baked chicken wings. 1. Pat the chicken dry. Ingredients for butter-baked chicken wings: 12 md chicken wings, tips on or off, 3 tsp onion powder, 3 tsp garlic powder, 2 tsp black pepper, 2 tsp paprika, more if you like, 1/4 sea butter, cut into cubes. 2. Sprinkle the wings with all the dry ingredients. 3. Spray a baking dish with olive oil. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F. 4. Place the wings in the dish. 5. Top the chicken pieces with the butter. 6. Cover with foil and bake for 35 to 40 minutes. 7. Remove the foil and baste the wings with the pond juices. 8. Turn the temperature up to 500 degrees F to allow them to brown and crisp. About 10 minutes. Serve.
2. Our favorite garlic parm wings. Creamy comfort. If you're a Parmesan lover, these wings are your new obsession. The sauce is buttery, creamy, and loaded with that nutty parm flavor, subtle on garlic, but you can kick it up with a sprinkle of garlic powder. Want a sweet twist? Stir in a drizzle of honey, as my friend Michelle swears by. These are a must for your game day lineup. Trust me, they'll disappear fast.
Ingredients for our favorite garlic parm wings: to pound chicken wings, pieces, tenders, etc. 1 pound butter, melted. 1/2 sea hot sauce. I use Krabby Bills from St. Pete Beach. Use any kind you prefer. 1 pkg good seasons Parmesan Italian dry mix. To clove garlic, minced fine. For TBSP Parmesan cheese, drizzle of honey for balance. To taste. How to make our favorite garlic parm wings. 1. Fry, bake, broil, or cook your chicken any way you like it. 2. In a saucepan, melt butter slowly with garlic. Then add all other ingredients with butter off of the heat. 3. Toss freshly cooked hot chicken with the garlic parm sauce.
3. My Daytona hot wings. Sweet heat perfection, better than any wing joint. These Daytona-style wings bring a sticky, sweet sauce with a fiery punch that won't leave you gasping. The dry rub crisps up the skin, while the sauce clings to every nook. Napkins are non-negotiable here. Double or triple the batch because these vanish quicker than you can say touchdown. Ideal for snacking while cheering on your team.
Ingredients for My Daytona hot wings. Wing mix. Packaged chicken wings approx. 3 to 4 pounds. 3/4 cauliflower. 1/2 tsp smoked paprika. 1 tsp paprika. 1 tsp pepper. 1/2 tsp salt. Olive oil spray. Sauce. 3/4 C Kraft Original BBQ sauce. 1/4 C Frank's Original Cayenne Pepper sauce. 1/4 C honey. 3 TBSP brown sugar. 1 TBSP garlic powder. 1 TBSP soy sauce. 1 TSP cornstarch. Crushed red pepper flakes to taste. How to make My Daytona hot wings. Test kitchen tips. We added about 1/2 TSP of red pepper flakes for testing. and they had a bit of heat. Start with less or leave out entirely if you don't like things spicy. 1. In a 1-gallon Ziploc baggie, put the ingredients for the wing mix in. Turn over several times to mix ingredients together. When you open the bag to put the wings in, you will smell a smoky scent. 2. Spray a large baking sheet with the olive oil spray. 3. Cut wings apart so you have to pieces. I do not use the very end of the wing as this does not have hardly any meat on it. 4. Put 4 or 5 wings into Ziploc baggie and turn over and over to coat. 5. Remove wings and shake excess off and place on pan. Repeat until all wings are coated. 6. Bake at 375 for 15 minutes. 7. Take out and turn all wings over. How to make My Daytona hot wings. 8. While wings are finishing up, start sauce. 9. Put all sauce ingredients into a saucepan and start cooking over medium-low heat. When adding crushed red pepper flakes, it is up to you how hot you would like your wings. The more you add, the hotter they will be. 10. Cook until sauce thickens, takes about 15 minutes. 11. When wings are finished baking, are removed from oven and turn oven to broil. 12. Using a brush, brush sauce onto all sides of the wings.
4. Crispy lemon garlic chicken wings. Zesty blisnet into buffalo or BBQ. These lemon garlic wings are your game changer. A dry rub infuses flavor and crisps the skin. Let them chill in the fridge for max effect, then a basting of lemony, garlicky butter takes them over the top. One bite, and they'll earn a permanent spot on your annual game day menu. Bright, bold, and oh so addictive. 5. Oven crisp chicken wings. Simple and sensational, these oven-baked wings prove you don't need a fryer for crispy perfection. The seasoning mix adds a subtle kick and a golden crunch, making them irresistible with or without buffalo sauce. Juicy inside, crispy outside, their football season royalty. Pair them with your favorite dip and watch them steal the show. 6. Grandma's famous party wings. Sweet, sour, spicy, candle your inner grandma with these fall-off-the-bone wings. A sweet sour sauce with a spicy edge bakes into sticky perfection over 3 hands-off hours. Toss them in the oven and forget until they're ready, easy peasy. Extra saucy and finger-licking good, they're a party hit. Stock up on napkins. 7. Slow-baked chicken wings. Bourbon-inspired bliss sauce. Here is the star. Think bourbon chicken vibes with a wing twist. Slow baking makes the meat so tender it practically slides off the bone. We couldn't stop sneaking tastes of that rich, savory sauce. These are request again territory, perfect for a cozy night when you want flavor without the fuss. 8. Ginger lime chicken wings. Grilled gore marinated in soy sauce, lime juice, red chili flakes, and more. These wings are a citrusy, savory dream with a hint of heat. Grilling adds a smoky edge that screams summer tailgate. Juicy and packed with flavor, they're a refreshing change from the usual suspects. Fire up the grill and wow your crew. 9. Korean chicken wings. Sticky, sweet, spice, sticky, salty, sweet, and spicy. These Korean-inspired wings hit all the right notes. A seasoned flour coating with a pinch of baking soda creates an unreal, crispy crust, while the soy sugar spice sauce clings like a dream. We couldn't stop grabbing just one more. These are your new go-to for a flavor-packed feast. 10. Wings worth the wait. Tangy and tender, fried then baked. These wings are worth every second of prep. The meat falls off the bone, coated in a tangy sauce with a gentle heat tweak with extra honey or brown sugar if you like it milder. There. A labor of love that pays off big time, game day devouring guaranteed. 11. Best fried non-breaded buffalo wings ever. Layered flavor. These buffalo wings are a flavor explosion, citrusy marinade, spicy seasoning, and a generous buffalo sauce finish. No heavy breading, just crispy skin and bold taste. Each layer builds on the last, creating wings so good you'll wonder why you ever ordered takeout. A classic done right. 12. Air fryer chicken wings. Crispy magic new to air fryer wings. Prepare to be hooked. They come out extra crispy with zero oil overload, coated in a rub that adds texture and dunked in a sweet spicy sauce you'll want to bottle. Game day ready. And finger-licking delicious. Your air fryer's about to get a workout. 13. Crispy sticky oven hot wings. Wing joint vibes. These oven-baked buffalo wings rival any restaurant. Super crispy, coated in buttery buffalo sauce with a killer seasoning blend. They're simple yet unstoppable. Dunk them in ranch or blue cheese. To tame the heat. You'll keep eating till the plate's empty, I warn you. 14. Vietnamese style spicy caramel chicken wings. Exotic twist inspired by Pok Pok. These wings swim in a salty sweet sour spicy caramel sauce that's pure magic. The Vietnamese flair makes them stand out. Think bold flavors that dance on your tongue. A little frying, a little saucing, and you've got wings that'll transport your taste buds. Wing it your way. These recipes are your ticket to wing nirvana. Mix and match sauces, tweak the heat, or try a new cooking method. Got an air fryer, a grill, a trusty oven, they all work. Share your twists with us at Eat This Journey or tag at EatThis5090. On YouTube, we'd love to see your kitchen wins. Which recipe's calling your name? Let's get those wings soaring.